Hi everyone, it's Desiree, and I am here, I know, it's late, with the reveal of the Tonic Studios No.7 craft kit. There is so much awesomeness in this kit, but there's also a reason why I'm running a little bit behind. You've all seen my weekend. So let's get with the kit. So of course you get your sheet, and this kit is titled Entwined Frames, and they truly are, so they're really, really pretty. So let's look at the papers. So the first three are weaved textures: pistachio green, olive green, and rose pink. The next two papers are specialty papers: coral confetti, evergreen fir. Absolutely gorgeous. You also have a specialty card paper, and this is salmon harlequin, and then a pearlescent card, which is limelight. And you also are given a piece of the watercolor card, so it'll be fun to play with that just to see how that reacts and how that works. So of course you always get your folder, the Daniel Smith, that's funny. Okay, the Daniel Smith watercolors are not part of the kit. I have them out for a reason. Daniel Steele, that's funny. Okay. So one of the items that you get in the kit is alcohol markers, and these are the shades of rosy pink. So you have your light shade here, and that's called Delicate Rose. And then you have your mid-tone, and that's called Pink Lady. And then you have your darkest tone, which is called Paradise Pink. So they're three different shades, but they all three do have, I want to say, a coral undertone. So they will blend. So I'm just going to put down my light color. I'm going to put a layer of the dark, and then I'm going to use the mid to blend that out. Now again, I'm not blending like we normally do and so forth, but I am seeing a nice gradient coming off of these three colors. The next item you get in the kit is a bottle of their, crystal drops in bottle green. And this is a beautiful shade of green. With a shimmer to it. Now you can see I always put a drop on the top of my Nuvo containers, whether it is sample or the large, just so I know what color it is because of the way that I store them. You also get two Aquaflow water brush pens. One is a fine tip and one, I'm going to call it a medium tip. But to activate them, you just unscrew it apart, take out the yellow ring, screw them back together, pull off your cap, and then continue to screw down your top base so that you're flush onto the barrel where you will put the water. Now I already put water in the smaller tip one, and I really like the fine tip. It's really fine. And both of these do go to a nice point, so you can use the larger one to do detailed areas as well, which is nice. These work really well. When you squeeze the barrel, you don't have to give much pressure. Water does flow nice, but you also have control with the water that's coming out as well, so you don't get the gush, what I call the gush. Again, technical term. You also get another glitter marker in Morning Moss. Now again, to activate these, you push down on the tip. It'll be white so that the ink can flow through it, and then you're good to go. Now you can see these are water reactive. These are water-based markers, these glitter markers. So when you put it down, you can use an aqua brush or a brush with water to move that around and use it as a watercolor. You can use it solid, as I have done here, or write with them. The next item that was in this kit, I saw these as CHA, and yeah, I will own the entire collection. This is their shimmer powder in Green Paradise. Now you can see I dumped a lot out. You do not need that much. And even what I have here, again, a little does go a long way. But good to know you can pull off the top point inside the container and put it all back in. I was very happy with that. Beautiful greens and blues, and there's a shimmer that goes through it. You can also put it down onto your paper. And again, with a brush and water or with your aqua brush, you can literally just paint on top of it. You can put this in a palette, one of those plastic palettes. Put a little bit of powder in, add some water to it. You've now created a watercolor to paint an area with. So these are extremely versatile. Don't get worried about all of that powder there. I was able to get it back into the container. So the focal point of this wonderful kit. You get a stamp set. And this stamp set is approximately, I had it written down. Oh my goodness, approximately 4x4. But it's beautiful for alcohol markers and watercolors and everything else you can think of, embossing. So it'll be fun to play with that. And then these are your die sets that are in this kit. Know that they're interchangeable, they're lacy, there's outlines, but also know, I had a couple people ask if these dies are available after they launch the kit. They are not. These dies, when it comes to their kits, are specific to the kit and only available through the subscription. There are other kits out there like Hero Arts that does that as well. So just keep that in mind. So I hope you're intrigued by these contents. I'm going to lay them out here. And with every kit, you do get a free item that they give you when you do subscribe. And this time it was one of their dies. That's absolutely beautiful. That says Just to Say. So in this video, there is an announcement. So if you've all been following this weekend, I have had one heck of a weekend with so many announcements, so many updates, and everything. And I am just totally humbled and honored for Scrapping for Less to have me be on their design team family. However, what was going on at the same time was I was actually contacted by Tonic Studios after I did my reveal and my 5 cards from the No.6 craft kit. So as of right now, and it was confirmed today, I am part of the network of their kit crafters. So again, I become honored, and I say thank you to all of you. I think if it wasn't for you, my subscribers, being loyal and helping and guiding me along, I don't think I would be where I am today. So I thank you. I will have all of the information for Tonic Studios down below. I encourage you, sign up for their newsletter. Some interesting things are going to be coming out. I will have the link and make sure that the links work for their subscriptions. When the kits sell out, the links do shut down. So keep that in mind, but please contact me if you should have any questions. So guys, I say to you, thank you. And always remember, be creative.